Hello dear kids, today we will draw a cute dragonfly. Let's start drawing step by step. First, draw a big round circle. This is a dragonfly's face. Now below the face, draw a small round neck. This will be the start of the body. Next, draw a long body under the neck. Now, let's draw 4 wings, 2 on the top and 2 at the bottom. Straight lines inside the body. These are body stripes. Now go back to the face. Draw 2 small eyes and a cute smile. Then add 2 small pink cheeks on the sides. Now draw 2 little feelers on top of the head. Wow! It looks so cute! Inside each wing, draw a leaf-like pattern. Take your black marker and make all the lines thicker. Hickory-dickory-dock. Wow! Now the drawing looks even better. Let's add colors now. Yellow color. Color the dragonfly's face yellow. Hickory-dickory-dock. The bear sat by the clock. The clock struck 4. He ran out the door. Hickory-dickory-dock. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock. The bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5. She went to her hive. Hickory-dickory-dock. Also color the long body yellow. Pink color. Use pink to color the neck and the cheeks. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Blue color. Now take blue and fill all 4 wings. Great job, kids! Your dragonfly is ready. It looks so beautiful. Bye-bye.